Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into our channel. So today we're going to be installing front and rear wiper blades on our 2021 Mazda CX-5. We picked these up on Amazon. I got them last year, right before the winter. They worked really well. This is the brand, have no idea how to pronounce it. Zeismo, something like that. But we'll put the link in the description below. So this has the front and rear wiper blades, specially designed right for the Mazda, for our specific vehicle. Has little instructions on how to do it right there. There's a little green rubber protector you need to pull off. So we're going to pull the wipers out of the box. The nice thing with these, it's a single blade design. You don't have the little kind of hooks in there, so it'll really hug the windshield fine. So you see you have three different sizes right here. You have your rear, and then you're going to have your passenger, and then your driver's side, which is the longer side right here. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to open this guy up. Comes with a little installation guide. And it shows you for like a universal setup and everything like that. So we're going to take you over to the car and we're going to show you what we got. So there's two sizes on the front. You have driver and passenger side. So you can see on the driver's side, we have the right length. So you have this little green protection right here. Let's pull this right off. I'm going to set that aside. Okay, we like to put microfiber cloth so we don't damage anything. There's a little button right here, or a little tab. Just push that, it slides right up. That easy, okay? So if you want, you can put a towel right where, if you do let that go, it'll slap that and it won't hurt your glass. Most important thing you gotta remember, okay, which was the new one, which was the old. I know this is the old because it's wet. This just slides right in. There's a little groove right there. There's a little groove right on here. It's just gonna slide right in. You can hear it pop. Go ahead and give it a wiggle. Make sure it's in there tight. You can see it's in there tight. Move our microfiber, just like that. That nice single blade design is gonna hug your windshield, especially as we get close to winter here. We're coming up on our rainy season, so we wanna put new blades on there. Not necessarily that our old ones are worn out. We just want to protect and have optimal when we're driving. Here we go. The great thing, since these are dedicated for the Mazda, you don't have to worry about all the other universal attachments and stuff like that. So they're just going to slide right on. Again, this just slides right off. This little protectant. So again, we're going to put our microfiber towel right under here in case it snaps. Push that in. Slides right out. Then you can leave the other one right here so you know the orientation just in case. Again, we're going to slide that right in. And then you see right here, you have that prong. It's going to slide right into that hook right there, or that U. Did you hear it click? Just like that. Right here, we'll pull it out. And then you're going to see right here, it's going to slide right in. And you're going to hear it click. Click. There you go. Just like that. In a matter of minutes, two wiper blades done. Okay. Now we're going to go to the back. The back is the weird one. So we're going to open this package up. So you see, you can't really lift this up. So what you're going to do, I'm going to set my wiper down, is you got to get this cover off. So I'm just going to, just with my finger right here, you can get underneath, kind of pull on it a little bit, and it just pulls right up. Nice and easy. So all I did was separate that to slide it right out. That's what it looks like underneath. Don't yank on it. And you don't want to do it when it's like, you know, below freezing, because everything is brittle. Now watch. Comes right up. Take this, and it doesn't move that much, right? A little bit, you're gonna push it up and you're gonna hear it. Just like that. And it's gonna slide right out. Again, you're gonna pull it up. Boom, where I'm holding the arm, slide it right off. And we put the other one, and slide it right in. So see the orientation right here? So that little indent is gonna be down. I'm gonna line that up, click it, down. Just like that, folks. Do it one more time. You see right here, there's a little bar. There's a little horseshoe it goes in. Just line it up. Click, goes right in. Make sure it's secure. And then you have these two little pins right here, and they're going to put these little holes right there. Just got to work it in. So it's easier to slide it in from the back over that little nut. And you're going to see right here, going to slide in that spot right there. That's your guide. Just give it a little push, you're going to hear it snap. Bam, done. Just like that, you change the wiper blades on your 2021 Mazda CX-5. It's the same blade for multiple years. Again, we'll put the link in the description below, but you can see how fast and easy that is. These blades were very affordable. Wiper blades have gone crazy up in price. These are affordable and they actually work really well. We've been very happy with them. We're not getting vibration, stuttering, squeaking, or anything like that from our old ones. Hopefully this video was informative for you guys. Please give us a like and subscribe. Leave your comments below. If you have any questions, we'll get back to you. Otherwise, pretty straightforward video.